I've always found cars very interesting. Even as a young kid, I used to take cars apart, put them back together again. That's what I always did. I am a red seal mechanic by trade. Rob Winter approached me and asked if I wanted to come work for Winter's Collision. One thing that I've learned coming to Winter's is they always make things right, no matter what the cost. If there's any tool or something that can make us better, whether it's better diagnostic equipment, better air conditioning equipment, tools that makes the job safer for the guys, we're always looking ahead to see how do we keep up with the standards. One of the things that Winters strives for is making sure that the customer is educated on their repair. Whether it's something that needs to be done now or something that has to be done half a year from now, they need to know where their vehicle's at and where they can spend their money. Every new person that walks in the door, I'm trying to gain that person's trust. It's not the big repairs, it's the little things. Having a customer's car cleaned afterwards, having that attention to detail really adds to the repair.